Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to add photos to Spotify playlist. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, navigate to the playlist you've created. And then select the three dots that bring up the menu. After that, tap on Edit. In Edit Playlist page, you have to tap on Change Image to choose a new image. You can choose your photo from your library or tag a new photo by tap the Take Photo here. But I'm gonna tap on Choose from Library. And then select the right one. Match it first. And you have done, tap on Choose in the bottom right of your screen. And you can also add the description here, but I'm gonna skip it. Then go ahead to save. Wait for a minute. This is processing, and then it's worked. Well guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.